If you are looking for a good sounding yet inexpensive condenser microphone, the LensGo KD95 is the right choice for you. Mabuhay everybody, welcome to the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kinda interested in those kind of contents, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome! Now before anything else, I would like to clarify that I am not an audio engineer nor an audio specialist. I am more of a tech enthusiast. And this is not the first time I reviewed a microphone. Now let's get down to business. 2020 is over, however, the remnants of the pandemic still remains. And most of us are blessed to have a chance to work at home. As a matter of fact, most companies last year already adapted to this kind of new normal setup. These days, we mostly conduct meetings over Zoom or Google Meet and other platforms with the same functionality. Not only that, even schools and universities are already in the same boat. That's why audio equipments such as good sounding microphone is a must. And the LensGo KD95 is the one of the best budget option you can get in the market right now. But first, I would like to thank LensGo Microphone for sending me this to review. Now let's do a quick unboxing and check out how it looks. Here's the box. As you can see, it comes with 3 color variants, a LensGo trademark. At the back, you will see specifications and what are the compatible accessories for the microphone. Now based on what's written on the box, the mount diameter is about 21mm for the best fit, but I got here a 22mm, which works too. This is a condenser microphone that has a cardioid polar pattern and it only requires 1.5 volts of power to function. Now let's see what's inside the box. Upon opening, you will see the KD95, and what I got here is the black variant. In the front, you will see the LensGo KD95 logo. On this side, you will see the 0 dB to negative 10 dB adjustment switch. On the other side is a low-cut filter on and off switch. Overall, 80% of the microphone's body is plastic. That is why it is very light, and I love the texture design. Now, this part is all metal, which is a standard for most of microphones. And at the bottom is the XLR male connection. Now, this came with an XLR to 3.5mm jack, but it also works using an XLR to XLR cable. And lastly, it came with an instruction manual. Basically, that's it. Now, the audio that you are hearing throughout this entire video is all recorded using the KD95. It's about 1 foot away from my mouth, and as you can see, I put a wind foam in it, and it is directly connected to my LensGo 328c using the included XLR to 3.5mm jack here, and it is transmitting wirelessly directly to my Canon M50 Mark I, and this is not a sound treated room, but I added a few post-processing on it. Also, I turned on the negative 10 dB and the low-cut filter switch on this microphone. So here's how it sounds on this side, and here's how it sounds on this side, and here's how it sounds at the back part, and here's how it sounds on this side. Now, since this is a cardioid mic, it picks up audio more on this side of the mic. And here's the raw audio of the KD95 with 0 dB and low cut filter off. Let's do a noise floor test. And here's how it sounds with just the negative 10 dB turned on. And let's do a noise floor test. And here's how it sounds with just the low cut filter on. Let's do a noise floor test. And here's how it sounds with the negative dB and low cut filter on. Let's do a noise floor test. While doing this recording, I have an electric fan over there turned on and another electric fan, mini electric fan at the back there. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. And now that we're done with the test, here's what I like about the KD95. First is the price point. The KD95 is priced at $48, very affordable even for students, and I'd say this is a bang for the buck because of the following reasons. It has a good audio quality, which is very important, with the added functionality such as the negative dB and low cut filter, which makes it even better. And it is really essential for rooms that doesn't have a good sound treatment like this. Also, since this is very lightweight, you can mount this on any kind of cheap mic arm or mic stand, and that is value for money. Now, there are things that you need to keep in mind with the KD95. First is that this mic is very sensitive to plosives. Either you put a pop filter or a wind foam, or just place the mic a bit far away from your mouth. Also, as I've said earlier, it has a plastic body. It is not a cheap plastic, guys, but it might break in a very hard fall. This is just a minor thing, but in my experience with LensGo products, they are sturdy and durable, coming from someone who occasionally drops his gear. And yeah, that's me. Overall, the KD95 is a great budget condenser microphone, and I definitely recommend it whether you're a student or a working professional, a streamer, podcaster, or an aspiring musician. The KD95 is gonna make your audio better and sound more professional. And in my case, this mic is going to be my main mic for most of my videos since it only requires 1.5 volts and it works perfectly with my LensGo 328c, and it's making my workflow much faster. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, this is the Art of Sir Eden tech version, and together let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Kuya Sir, out!